Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating discovery that's got the astronomy world buzzing. It's about a rare and extraordinary event that happened 11,000 light-years away from our planet. You see, scientists have stumbled upon evidence of two planets crashing into each other, and it's a mind-blowing sight. But what makes this even more intriguing is the connection it draws to our own planet's history. So, let's explore this cosmic collision and what it tells us about the universe and our place in it. First off, imagine a distant star, located halfway from Earth to the center of our galaxy. This star, called Gaia 20Ek, started acting strangely around 2016. It began to flicker and dim, and that's when researchers took notice. What they found was astonishing. It wasn't the star itself causing these dips in brightness, it was something even more extraordinary. Huge amounts of rocks and dust were passing in front of the star, orbiting in the same system, and causing these intermittent dimming events. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. The source of this debris? Well, it turns out it was the remnants of two planets crashing into each other. This collision was so violent that it produced a cloud of dust and debris, which was then observed by telescopes. The researchers used visible and infrared light to study the fluctuations, and that's when they realized the heat generated by the collision was incredible. It suggested that the planets were spiraling closer and closer, eventually leading to a catastrophic impact. This discovery is a big deal because it's incredibly rare to witness such a collision. Scientists estimate that this process is common in the universe, but it's like finding a needle in a haystack. The fact that we got to see this event is a stroke of luck. But here's the really cool part, this collision might resemble the one that formed our own Earth and Moon. The dust cloud orbiting the star is at a similar distance from its sun as Earth is from the sun, which means it could eventually cool down and solidify into something resembling our planet. What's even more mind-blowing is the possibility that this discovery is just the tip of the iceberg. There might be more evidence of planetary collisions out there, and some of them could be inhabitable zones. Imagine finding another Earth-like planet formed by a collision. This finding opens up a whole new avenue of research and gives us a deeper understanding of how planets form and evolve. In my opinion, this discovery is a game-changer. It challenges our understanding of planetary formation and evolution. It also highlights the incredible diversity and complexity of the universe. Who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered? One thing's for sure, the more we explore, the more we realize how much there is left to learn. So, what do you think? Is this the future of space exploration? Are we on the brink of discovering more habitable worlds? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Until next time, keep exploring the universe.